Bum, bum, bum. Hello, everyone. I'm back again for another live coding session. I'm feeling really tired today because last night I slept really late. Um, I was doing another live as always. Um, so I'm just gonna wait like for five minutes. Um, see if there's someone. Um, just checking my post up. Okay. Fuck. Yeah. Hello and welcome to this live stream. Yeah. Fuck. I don't know for how long I'm gonna be coding. Depends on how exciting this thing is gonna turn out. I'm feeling really sleepy today, so I hope I'll be able to do some interesting things. So what I have planned for today, hopefully. So this is the thing, how it looks like for now. These are the stickers that I have. Let me take. Nah, I'll keep it right here. Doesn't matter. Anyway, so I managed to get some nice stickers. Let me close this. Quit. Here are some nice stickers that I managed to get from. Yeah, doesn't matter from where. Just if you guys want to know where I got them from, you can leave a comment. I'll reply to it. I'm not gonna put all of them because it's gonna be really long and useless. So these stickers, I have the license to use them. So and the ones that I had previously, these here, I'm gonna remove these because these I don't have the right to use these for my project. I just put them here as placeholders. So I'm just gonna take like 5 or 6 of them, export them. Sorry. And start working on this. I have several plans for today. Like, hopefully, I'll be able to. What did I say? Wait, let me check this out. What did I promise? Reddit, my profile. Um, yeah, so I'm planning to edit this thing text because right now it's like it sucks. I haven't done any work on this. Um, Once I finish this, I might try figuring out the scaling of the stickers, and maybe add snapping to the middle or something like that. Once I have this functional, I might make an in-browser camera. Let me have a quick look. Camera app. Yeah, my laptop fell last night. I don't know how that happened. I just woke up and I saw my laptop on the floor. So either it's my cat who dropped it, and my keyboard feels funky right now. Anyway, so what I'm planning to do is something like this maybe. I don't know. I'll not that complicated with that many animations and stuff, because it doesn't feel good. But maybe something like this, and try to mix it with the editor and make everything work nicely. I don't know if you guys have seen my old videos, but this is part of a bigger app, and what I did is that I just removed everything that I was using, and I'm just showing this component right now because this is what I'm working on. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee, and I'll start coding. I really don't feel, I feel really sleepy right now. Hopefully some coffee is gonna make me a little bit more awake. Yeah, also I grabbed some more stickers, but let me show you this. Yeah, I have this file. Come on. Oh, yeah, this is the website I got that from. It's not it's not the sponsored video or whatever. It's just that it worked out well for me, and I had to pay for them. So yeah, I'll be right back. Just making a coffee. Also, I'm gonna be playing music on the back. Let me remove this thing. Remove Chrome. Remove. Yeah, that's alright. I don't think I'll be speaking too much because anyway, no one's watching. Sorry. Just grab a coffee, play some music. I won't be playing it on YouTube because half my video have been removed because of music, which is like really sad because I'm not doing anything wrong. It's just that. Anyway, I'll be right back. Oh. Hello everyone, I'm back. Okay, this is no one still. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop streaming for like 5 minutes. Because I have something to do. I'll be right back. Okay. Am I back live again? Have no idea. Yeah. So, got my coffee. Coffee check. Okay, I'm online. And last but not least, music. So I have my headphones. I hope that you can't hear the sound, because if you do, that means that YouTube won't like it. Anyways, okay, let's move on. I have my editor, my text, my filters. Fucking hell. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna start exporting these. Export SVG. Optimize file size, minify. This and on modules. What am I doing? Source. App. Server. And assets stickers. Okay, I'm just gonna give them numbers. One export, two, export, three, four. I'm gonna do like. Wait, let me just check something. What if I do this? How is this? Well, I have no idea how to export the thing. Source, server, build, assets. Oh yeah, it did it well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rename. 5. Rename. 6. Oh. Is there a shortcut for renaming? Nah. Trying to figure out if there is a 8. Okay, I think that's more than enough. Let's add one more 9 and 10. just okay, I'm gonna finish them all. Fuck this. This goes out, this out, this. Great. Next. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. Technically, it should still work properly. Let's check this out really fast. Yeah. I don't think I got anything here. This one is weirdly empty. I think I selected something that I shouldn't have. Oh, okay. Let me delete this thing. It's 12 goes to bin, and I'll add these two. Okay, let's be crazy and export these also. Okay. Rename 12. Wait. View. Sort by name. Okay, great. This. Rename. Okay, great. Okay, let's do it in a smart way. Array 20 fill map e and index, and I'm gonna return Yeah. Oh, hello. I didn't see that people. Maybe not. Um, yeah. So this is what it looks like right now. What I'm working on. Uh, just added some more. Oh fuck. This is really small. Da, da, da. Yeah. I should have thought about it. These are good size. Um, yeah. So how can I do this? Da, da, da. Yeah, I'm just gonna merge with 45. Um, God. Okay. I don't know if this will change anything. If not, I'm gonna I'll need to figure out a way. Uh, Wait. Let's say I'm gonna put the crazy number here. 300. Okay. Uh-huh. So this is working, but I need to keep the same ratio. Uh, so uh, equals dot what was the thing? Natural width divided by image natural height. Once I have the ratio, let's say image that height equals 300 times ratio, maybe, if my math is correct. We'll figure this out really fast. Yep, this works great. And instead of 300, I'm gonna just say 100 pixels. So what I'm gonna be doing also, I forgot to mention that I need to be able to delete these. Hey, apparently there's someone watching. Hi, to you. Hope you are gonna enjoy this. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment on this. If the video stops at some point, just know that I have some problems with OBS and I need to relaunch it from time to time. But yeah, if you have questions, you can write them on here. I'll be happy to reply. Anyways, so right now I can add stickers. Now, what I need to do is inside my editor. I know. I think first things first. That when I start moving, I want to hide these. That might make it a good effect. Uh, uh, uh. So what my editor is made out of, I think I'm gonna need to put these inside a div class equals tabs, and move this inside div. This might break stuff. Because I think I can go live with this one. Wait, can I just do this for a second? Sorry. No. Okay. It's just because it takes really long to reload every time because there's like a whole server that's going on. And I don't need the whole thing, the whole server to restart every time, which makes stuff really long to reload each time I make a change. Oh, it didn't change anything, the fact that I added a div inside. So this is gonna be really, really useful, this thing tabs. I don't know why it doesn't have anything in it. Anyway, so I'm just gonna do one thing. First, save it somewhere. I know this code, I've been saying this for like every time I make a video. I need to change this tabs, and like I need to rewrite a lot of parts of it because it's like really, really dirty. But the good thing is that I can figure out my shit pretty easily because I'm the only one who reads this code anyway. So what I need to do is when I'm moving on the canvas, and what am I gonna add? Height. And on touch end on the canvas, remove. Now what I need to do inside my photo editor, yeah, and by the way, I always code this way. Most of my time I just add things as I go on top of the file, and when I have the energy and the will to rewrite some pieces, I do it. So tabs, transition, all 200 milliseconds is in out, and transform, translate by 0, and then hidden, I just translate minus 100 pixels. Let's see. What's the problem in here? Can't see my tabs anymore. No, come on, please. Is it because of this thing? Okay. So this is the thing. That's weird. What if I do this? Oh, and it's hide. Okay, let me call this hit. Oh, hide. What's the problem? Oh, and there needs to be an and. I didn't get the transition thing. Transition on. Yeah. I'm doing this so that I make a space here. First I need to figure out why the transition thing is not working. Transition on. Translate why. I think I need this thing to have the transition transform translate 0. But this thing, if I do this, I end up not having my tabs, which is not good. But I have these things. Let me add it as C index of 5. One pixel. I have no idea what's happening in here. With 100%. Oh, I think I'm gonna give it the display contents. Yeah, great. And this thing goes to 0. And if I move this, yeah, if anyone knows how to fix this thing, I'd be happy to figure this out, because I'm using a lot of transforms and translate stuff. Wait, with 100% 8. Okay, I need to give it a height. 100 pixels. Does this thing work? Okay, this is still working. I know what's the problem. And position absolute. Now Z index 5 and bottom 0. Yeah. If I have this, okay, yeah, almost got it working. I'm just gonna copy all these things. please paste this in here and translate 100 pixels, like 50 pixels or something. It's just so that I can hide them. Yeah, this is what I was going with. So this way, let's say I have a sticker showing in here. Okay, this is a known bug that I have to work on. If I don't have the Z index on the stickers right now. Let me just make this smaller, 150 milliseconds, because it feels laggy. And maybe add some drag and drop, because right now it works on the click. I don't know, does it look good? And instead of 0, I think -5 pixels. I know I'm not really smart about all these numbers, and it's like fixed widths and heights and stuff like that. Oh yeah, this way it looks way better. You don't have that small thing showing in here. Anyway, so what am I gonna do? I know. I need one thing inside my editor. You'll get what I'm gonna attempt to do. So I don't know if you guys know these social media like Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. They all have like mostly roughly the same things. Like you can add stuff, and usually what they do is that when you select an element, you paste it on top of your photo, and whenever you move the thing, they show a small bin in here, and once you drag the element there and you release, come on. Yeah, that makes it that this is I don't like this thing now. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, fuck. Why is this taking the click there though? Because now I can't even touch this thing. My Okay, let me do the bin thing and then I'll figure out the tabs. Da, da, da. Draw grid, draw stickers, on element, render. Yeah, I'm gonna just add it here. Const draw bin and wait. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I need my bin. I'm just gonna add it here. Const bin equals How if I can draw SVG element on canvas? Yeah, if there's a way to draw an SVG on the canvas, that would be amazing. Oh, you can give it an SVG file. That's great. Okay, that's gonna help me. So bin equals. Do I have icon? Nope. Const require components icon. So this icon thing is just feather icons. Yeah, it's this thing. I'm using feather icons. I can show you the, where is it? My components icon. Icon. Yeah, it's just a feather icon with the name and it converts it to SVG. Anyway, bin element, bin icon equals trash. No, I need to icon trash. And then inside my draw bin, I'm gonna just do context draw image bin icon what was the thing, and the position canvas dot width width minus 10. No, I need this to be divided by 2 canvas dot height. Maybe this is gonna work. Let's see. So every time I start moving, I draw the grid, and then above the grid I just draw a bin, So what render does is that it moves through my yeah, I was telling you guys, this is not how you're supposed to code. You're not supposed to have like files that are 300 lines and everything is so messy and all that, but yeah. What was the thing? So it just goes through a list of elements here and it draws them on the canvas. Anyway, let's see that my attempt works fine. So I go this, I add this thing, close this thing. Woo! Something went really bad. Or SVG image element. What is what happened here? Alright, something happened. Something bad happened. Draw bin. Log bin icon. here. It's an SVG element. Wait. Draw image. Huh. PDF escape from text image. Why this value sort of type CSS image value or HTML or SVG image element or HTML. Huh. Okay, it needs to be okay. I got the problem. I don't need an SVG element. I need an image element. SVG to canvas. Okay, I have my canvas, I have my image, I have my get this is really weird. Why do I have to do this? Okay, I need to figure out a better way of doing this thing. Because I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do it in one line. So my bin icon equals icon of this thing. What did they do? New okay. Makes sense, I realize. Let's try this thing. This and then God, this is gonna be huge. This, then I need this. Yeah, please don't do this. Don't try this at home. Fuck. 8. Oh God. Parentheses. See, this is why I was saying don't try this at home. That's the great thing about JavaScript. New image with height number, and then you cut this thing. Bin icon dot src equals this. Yeah. Let's see. Is this gonna work? That did not work. Where's my bin? Where is it? Where is it? Come on. Nope. close my draw bin thing. Mm-hmm. Source equals this. I'm sure I fucked up something inside this thing. How am I gonna do this nicely? Why? Let me just drop in. I'm just gonna put 0 and 0 here. And move hide. Where's my drop in thing? Yeah, it's here. So I'm drawing it at the end. That should have fixed stuff. No. I know I'm not waiting like you're supposed to wait for the unload event. I guess once I start moving this thing, wait, I'm gonna just solid.log bin icon src. Yeah. Oh, it's there. I just did not see the thing. So this thing works. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. I'm asking myself, is this like the best way to do this? Yeah, it's just because I was expecting it to be in the bottom, but it's not, because I just put 0, 0. So draw bin canvas dot width divided by 2 canvas dot height minus, I need to remove the bin icon dot width divided by 2 maybe. Yeah, divided by 2 canvas height minus bin icon dot height minus 20. This is not gonna work because I don't think it will. Oh, it did work. Can you see? Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. Yeah, can't reach it right now. So I guess I have 3 things to figure out first. One is why when I click on tabs, I don't get I don't like I can't move. I have to click outside of this thing. I do display contents. Does this change something? Yes. Then I cannot. Okay, take off this. Take off the hate. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I need to just remove the hate in this thing, and yeah, I can still move in here. Reload this. What happened? Did I took it away? Yeah. Okay. Now, where's my bin? Draw bin. Bin icon dot width equals 20, 30, and this is gonna scale it badly, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, how are you, the current viewer? If there is anyone watching, or it's just me and some weird bug is happening. Yeah, trying to entertain you so that you don't leave and let me alone. This thing did not work. Why didn't this work? With 100, 800. Come on. Okay. Weird. Nah, that's not working out. I'm gonna add 100 here and 100 here. I think. Oh, that worked well. But okay, let me figure out this really fast. Canvas width divided by 2 minus 50 because I'm running it 100 pixels wide, 100 pixels tall, and the height is gonna be this minus 80. Wait, what did I have? I had the height, which is 100 minus 20. That makes it 80. Let's see. Yep, 120. It's gonna say it. Yeah. So let me make this. I'll make it like 60, 60. and 80, 30. Yeah. Okay, I might need to add like a thing behind x dot add, because I suck. I need to Google how to do this. Draw circle canvas JavaScript. Then you copy this. Oh, I need the begin path also. Up, 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 and this needs to be what is the thing? Arc center. Okay, so this is the first thing is the X position. The second is the Y position. But let me do this at least. Const X equals Y, const Y equals this, and W equals, so we said 60, right? So this is gonna be minus W divided by 2, and this is gonna be minus W plus 20. What did I have before? I had 80. Yeah, minus W plus 20. And here we can use X, Y, W plus, let's say it's gonna be like 10 pixels wider than the bin itself. And this thing is gonna be X, this is gonna be Y, and these two are gonna be W, and I can remove this thing. Da, 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 da. Almost. I almost got the right thing. Where did I fuck up the thing? X, Y, minus W divided by 2. How fucking hell? Minus 20 here? Is that what that needs to be? Okay, so everything worked out almost. Hello, viewers. Please say something, not let me stay alone. How much do you like this? Me trying to figure out. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself anyway. What's the problem with this thing? XY? Why is this not in the center? Fucking hell. Stroke. C stop. Fill. Okay. Let me check. Canvas width divided by 2 minus width divided by 2. Come on. Const R equals 30. First of all, this is like one of the problems. I'm using the width, which is 600, so it's making like a big circle. And I'm gonna use R. No, that did not help. First of all, I'm gonna use 400, and I'm just gonna circle X canvas dot width divided by 2 minus R and Y wait, I also need class fill color fill style. So I need to set what do I use? Let's see, 0.5 and where's my circle instead of this? Y C Y translate minus R minus 20. Yeah, and this I'm gonna use 255 here, white, and I'm doing this because my bin right now is okay. I almost got it right. What do I do if I do minus R? Just R. Oh, that wasn't. I don't know, which one did I get wrong? Fucking wait. Yeah, I haven't slept much. My Y looks good. It's my X. My X is not good. Uh, da, 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 da. Divided by 2, maybe. Yeah, I'm just, that's how I work. Okay, I just figure out stuff as I go. A little bit of randomness from time to time. What the fuck is this? Oh, okay. I guess I don't need this thing. I don't need, because if I read well, I should have been more thoughtful about this and read more carefully. And so it's gonna draw the circle exactly. You don't need, okay, so the thing is that when you draw an image, it draws it from the top left corner this way. So if I want to center, let's say I want to draw, this is my canvas, the whole window is my canvas, and this is the image. If I want to center it, I need to, if I draw it at 50%, it's gonna end up being like something like here. Wait, but so what I need to do is that move it to the left by half of the width of the image, but circles, it draws them from the center. So technically that worked well. I think, did it? No. um, 8 minus 20. What did I have here? R. Yeah. I need, it's not 20 here. I need it to be 10. I think. I'll end up figuring out this thing. Okay, great. Now I have my bin. Maybe change the color of this thing. And to change the color of this thing, I'm just gonna go up here and how can I do this? Oh, I'm gonna take off the stroke because I don't need the stroke. No, that wasn't the right one to remove. Stroke. Yeah, great. Drop in, and maybe I'm gonna just need so if it's hovered, and I'll just make it red. RGB, copy this thing. Then I can go and get some nice red color from here. And can I change this to be, yeah, to, okay, up, copy those values. Come on, let me change this again, please. Okay, this and okay. So on touch move, first of all, I don't always draw the bin. I'm gonna draw the bin only if I have a selected element. If I have a selected element, I draw the bin. Then, what do I need? Yeah, I'm just gonna have this for now. Reload. So now I can move. I don't have the bin. I'm gonna add, let's say, this thing, this heart, and now I have the bin. Okay, I need my bin to be drawn fucking hell. Yeah, I think I'm fine with this for now. Yeah. Now, what do I need to do? Let me check the chat for fun for 5 seconds. Draw bin. What was the draw bin thing? Let me just type true, which is gonna make it hovered. I just want to see how it looks. Please. Let me add this skull. And nah, it doesn't look amazing with the red thing, especially on this flower. Let me choose something like I'm gonna go get some inspiration from our friends, Twitter, Instagram, and go. How did they do this? Does it count like cheating if I'm doing this? It's called inspiration. So Twitter makes it after. So for the Twitter bin is a way of the it's out of the image. Now Instagram. What did Instagram do? Just checking if I'm still alive. And Instagram, my friend. Oh, Instagram doesn't. How do I wait? The swipe. Basic. Okay. So the Instagram one is in the image and it's just white. So the whole hover thing. Let's take away this thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with the simple one, obviously. This also, and instead of fill style, this is gonna be stroke style, I think. Stroke color canvas. Yeah. Stroke style. Yeah. And it's just gonna be white. Remove this thing. But I guess this will make this will be a problem if, let me do something. If the image is white, um, we won't be able to see the bin. Oh. Wait a second. Wait, I need a lot of things. I changed. This is stroke. And begin path, and here I need x stroke style equals black. Wait, what am I drawing first? Oh, I might need also to work on the fact that if this thing is open, I just shut all the tabs when I scroll down. But let's do one thing at a time. So when I'm drawing my lines, drawn lines, ctx dot stroke with, I'd say, stroke size. Do I have this somewhere? Line width. Line width equals 1. And when I'm drawing my thing, I'll just make it like 4. Let's see. Let me close this thing. I don't need this anymore. Yep. What happened? what did I fuck up somewhere? I fucked up something somewhere. Oh, yeah, I did not select anything. Okay, that's great. Now I need two things, and these two things are gonna be make the bin white. Const bin svg equals this, and bin svg style stroke equals white. Is this gonna work? I don't know. You never know. Why I tried, but only 0 present. Oh yeah, and this. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Let's select something. Close this thing, and yes. I'm just gonna make my bin a little bit smaller. 60, 55, 54, so that the whole dividing stuff works fine. Let's does it look weird? I'm just gonna let it 60, 50. I think I'm not getting it right, the centering of the bin thing. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting the thing centered correctly. And maybe it divided by 2, something like this. That's what I miss here. I don't know. We'll see. La 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 la. Nope, it's definitely not divided by 2. Minus 10. I don't know. I'm just randomly checking values right now because I don't like doing math. 20. Why is this not working? Fucking hell. Gotta put back 60 here. It doesn't matter. Oh, I need to open the window for my cat. I'll be right back. And battery. Okay. Um, hey, hey. Now I'm thinking these things suck. You can't position stuff around. Okay, let's do one thing. First things first. Now I need to know drop in. Now what I need is that if I release this inside the bin, it just deletes it. For this, I can just check when I touch and manager, then swipe, scan, and moving. So first I need to get the touch end position, and for that I'm just gonna check the touch start. How do I do this? Dx, dy, selected element. Okay, I don't even need this. I'm just gonna do this. If selected element, which means I have a selected element. And I stop dragging. What do I have to do? I need another helper function on element. This thing helps checks if I am on element inside an element, and now intersect equals. Okay, so this function is gonna just tell me if an element intersects, and do I give like a bin thing or something? I'm just gonna use like this coordinates, but then I need a lot of x1. Let's do it like this: x1, y1. So it's the coordinates of the first element with one height 1, and then x2, y2, with 2, height 2. So if Okay, I need to draw some stuff. Is there anyone here? Yep. Class online. Online canvas. Come on, I just need a draw online. Yeah. Wait, remember the thing. I just need a pencil. Let me take select. And I need my pencil. Okay. So, God, no. Yeah. So I have. Oh God, please. That's not bad. So x1 is here. Then I have y1. I think it's the same thing as I've clicked on an element. So what are the things possible? I can have two elements that are like this. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just figure it out. I don't think I need this. I just need the element. Let me just check this thing. If selected element x is inside my bin, which means that my x is bigger than canvas dot width divided by 2. So I'm gonna, it's always a better idea to do the opposite thing. So it's if my element is x position is smaller than the canvas width divided by 2, or selected element dot width x is bigger than canvas width divided by 2 plus, yeah, this is a very bad idea, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna hard code the value of my bin thing. I don't know, it's like roughly 80. Where was I doing this thing? plus 80. And I think I'm gonna just go with the end and use the opposite. So if my x is bigger than this and is smaller than this, because I don't need this anymore. If so, selected element dot height is bigger than canvas dot height minus 20, and selected element dot and it's not, it's y. I might need to play a little bit with the values because like I said, it's gonna take it. So this is my thing, and explain myself. This is my view. I have my bin here. So if I want to delete an element, I need to take the top left corner of it. Needs to be like in this circle here. This is like the y of the bin, which is like the canvas height minus 20. And this is going to be the bottom part of it. If selected element y is bigger than canvas height, so it's like in here, and selected element y. Yeah, I don't even need to check the second one because there's like almost nothing left in between the top and the thing. So if the I'll consider that if the thing is like inside this square here, I'll just delete it. Solid log delete. Okay, now my top thing is all around here. So let's see. If I drop it here, yep, nothing. Here, nothing. Switch 5/2 and select x smaller than x view height and okay. Let me try and play around until I hit the spot. See how far away I am. X of undefined. Oh. Bigger than canvas width divided by 2. Just need to check this too. Okay, so my width, so I need to make my X bigger than 375. Okay, so it's supposed to be deleted if I drop it here. 375 plus 80, and guys, 8 minus 20. Let me show this thing also. What's the position? This. Select the element. I think it's the Y thing that's making me some problems. 730. Yeah. Minus 100. 200. 200. And yeah. Let's see if I make it out now. If I can figure it out. It's not deleting. Not. Come on. Oh. Please. Okay. So. I'm gonna make a function that's gonna do this thing for me, because render begin path const element is element in bin. Now I can play nicely with it. So I start by checking if I have selected that way. If I don't have selected element, I return false. Then right here I know that this is inside this thing. I can take it away. Okay. Selected element dot x. Yeah, I'm gonna just use a lot of if statements instead of having to do this whole nonsense thing. So if my selected element dot x wait, is smaller than canvas width divided by 2, which means this thing is smaller than canvas by 2 minus 100. This 100 thing is like how wide my bin is. I'm just supposing that because the radius is 440, so it makes it 80, but 100 sounds good. 550 actually. So this is the middle. I go minus 50 one side. So if it's like on this side, return false. Now if selected element dot x is bigger than canvas dot width, oh god, come on, divided by 2 plus 50. So if it's bigger, return false. If the y-axis of my selected element is smaller than canvas height minus 100, return false. Return false. And return true. Okay, I'm not taking in count the size of the element. And if is a so log delete how long I've been streaming for? 2 hours now. Let's see. So I stop here. No, 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 no. Yep. Okay. Delete. That's close enough. Okay. I'm gonna take the center of the element for a little bit more accuracy. I'm just gonna make it like make the element being deletable, and then I'll just so if the selected element x plus selected element not y width divided by 2. This way I get to the middle of the element. And same thing here. And same thing here. And instead of width, I need weight. Take off this thing. Okay. delete, no, no, delete. Yeah. I think this is close enough. Yeah, let me try with something more weird, like this thing. Uh, what? No, okay, good. Yeah, and so I'm just showing delete. I'm just gonna remove it from my list. So my elements, instead of making this, I'm gonna change this to let. And here I'm gonna just do elements equals elements filter any element. So I'm gonna remove if the element equals selected element. Let's see. Huh. That did not work. So long elements. I think I need to use splice or something. Why this is not working the way I thought it's gonna be working. Come on. Elements, filter element. My filter thing did not work. Elements dot 0 equals selected element. What's the problem? Oh, yeah. Take off this. I know what. I suck. Is that the thing? Maybe. Uh, yeah. Okay, let me check two things. Wait. There's a problem, okay? Why is this not? Okay, some of them are not showing right. Because my ratio calculation sucks. Let's see, I'm taking this one and delete this one. Yes. 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 Yeah, okay, the delete thing works fine. I just need to figure out the size. Size. It's something in here that I fucked up. First of all, I need them to be a little bit bigger. divided by ratio, maybe, or I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this works for square stuff. Yeah, I'm amazing. Yes. Okay, I did delete part. Is there still? Oh yes. So someone is still watching, maybe, or this is just YouTube taking this. So if you are watching, can you say like hi in the chat, please? I just want to know if I'm speaking on my own right now or not. That's all. How long did it take me? Fucking hell. Took me 2 hours to do this. Yeah, I'm really slow. Okay. Now that I have this thing working, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, like 120 and 120. With this is gonna wait. I think my whole calculation here is not working well. Okay, I need to take off this thing. Read this. This one works well. This one, well. Okay, so I have everything seems to be working great. Yeah. Yep. 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 Okay, so I did not fuck up the. Oh. This makes it really slow. I did not know that will make it slow like this, having a lot of elements. Yeah, and I know there's a weird. Okay. In here. Where is the donut? Yeah, because I'm not being thoughtful about how I'm drawing stuff. First, yeah, no. Delete this thing. Okay, so what can I do for you? Okay, I'm just gonna fix this thing, make it so that you can add text. And I'm just gonna stop it there, I think. This is font, normal, light. $300, 30 pixel, I don't know, normal, light. This thing doesn't seem to be like font weight. What's the problem with this thing? I don't think it has. I will let me use. Yeah, inherit. Remove this thing. Add property value. Just gotta check my filters. No, my text. Style lighter. Let me see one thing. Canvas. Also, oh god, nah. I don't feel like working on this right now. I'm just gonna take a break. Because I have to figure out a way on how to type stuff and all that shit. And I definitely don't feel like doing this right now. Let me check how Instagram is doing this. I might just stop here my stream. Okay, so if you type once on this, just type, it gives you a small text thing here. Then you have a slide where you can God. Also you can select the colors. Yeah, there are too many things to code on this thing. And I don't have the energy for it. I think I'm gonna leave it this way, like as simple as this, and then move on the next thing, like wait, let me check one thing. Yeah, I think I need an overlay inside this thing so that you cannot click as many times. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish the text tomorrow or tonight. To do something simple about it, and then move on to the next things, because I think I overdid a lot of things like the stickers and all that. This was definitely not necessary. Okay, just one last thing. canvas width divided by 2 minus image width divided by 2. And just hate. I think this needs to be a plus. Let's see. Oh, got it right from the first. Did I get it right? Is this in the middle? Seems like, yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's definitely in the middle. This makes it a little bit better, so that way it's better. What I can do also is like maybe put the limit, because right now you can see that if I add, like I added a lot of elements, oh, it did not take, like it's still working pretty well with this much elements. Yeah, it starts to be a little bit laggy, so I'll add like a limit maybe or something like that. Maybe also add a small animation when this thing reaches this, so that people know that, oh, I can delete it right now. Okay. And also I need a small thing, right? I'm just gonna say tabs element classes add hide and manager emit close tabs. That way, inside my tabs here, stickers, text, and all that, you can just say, okay, event manager subscribe. Whenever I receive the closed tabs, I can just close the thing. Classes with transition. I think I just need this thing. If this thing, just this part, I think. No, it's this one. This part. And this, yeah. Let's see. And I added this to my filters. Yeah, that's great. Good. And to my text tab also. This way I don't have that weird thing when, oh, I do have it still. I forgot to say this thing. Okay. Yeah, looks great. I'm just gonna check this on my phone, see how it feels, because I might have to change some stuff. Okay. Hmm. Uh, the drawing does not work on my phone for some reason. And I think I'm gonna need to check this out. I'm sure that there's some weird reason for why this thing is not working on my phone. Because it used to work and now it's not. Safari window. Come on. There's something weird happening here. That used to work nicely. Looks really weird on my phone. And oh, maybe it's the click, the whole click thing. Is that the problem? Nope. Wait. Is it? Come on. Please. No. I have to also figure out how. That would be great if you guys could see what I'm doing right now. How it looks like on the phone. Uh, Let me just console log. Hey, let's see what's the problem in here. So I have I think, oh god, please. Inspect element, reload, and yeah, this looks really bad on phone, by the way, because I haven't on the web. Haven't thought that much about it. Open page width. Is this why didn't they make it like um, so the thing is that this is working. Like when I click on them, tap on them, at least I get this thing. Is it because overview? What is this? Waiting for frames. Come on. Okay, I'm done waiting for frames. Recording syntax. Um, what is this thing? Yeah. I have no idea what's the problem. iOS raw image is not working. Hi, thanks. Can you try let me know if it works? What is this thing? Is this the SVG file property now? Some weird thing is happening. Uh, hmm. I'm gonna do one thing really fast. Check this thing. Let's say I'm gonna export this, and instead of SVG, I'm gonna use PNG. I'm sorry, guys. I think I'm gonna quit the stream right now because I'm testing on my phone how this is working, this thing, and on my I can't show you what's happening on my phone. But the problem is that it used to work when I had PNGs, but when I started using SVG files, it did not work. So I'm just gonna do a simple thing, which is stickers and filters push. I just added one, which is one.png. I'm gonna have the egg as being the last thing. So this is working well for the egg. Oh, let me check this on the phone now. Nope. Fuck. I don't know. I fucked up something somewhere. And it's not gonna be funny for you to watch. Like it's I don't think it's gonna be interesting for anyone to watch me try to debug this thing. Because you can't even see the thing happening. God. Let me add 0 again. I'm just gonna put these. I should have been testing this. Take off this thing. Just trying to figure out. Okay, so it's these these things. iOS not working. Doesn't seem to work on iPhone either Safari or Chrome. Image Azure widget 0. Okay, so apparently it's a problem with Chrome. It wasn't with Safari, sorry. So this I need to figure out the way. So apparently this thing, I'm gonna try to show you what's happening. Console.log image.macro-width, and so I have my phone is stuck to my laptop, and I can debug this. I'm just gonna add a thing. Wait. See, okay, so I get 0. And when I was drawing the thing, I just get it just draws an invisible image on the canvas. That's why I couldn't see them. Measure width, return 0. Okay. Interesting. So I just suck. That's all. That was all. Take these things away. And up. Wait. Take this thing. Push this here. Great. I'm gonna check on my phone, please. Yes. Okay, so I got everything working on my phone. I just have a weird... Oh, wait, I can... I'm gonna record my screen and... nah, fuck this. Oh, I can emulate user gestures. Anyway, so it's working well on the phone. I get everything as expected. I just have like a weird thing. The images are skewed. Inside, let me tell you what. So these images are skewed weirdly inside, on my phone at least. Wait, can I do this? Take a screenshot. And wait. I drop. Come on. Okay. I can get them inside my downloads. Yeah. So this is the thing that I was speaking about. That's how it looks on the phone. It looks pretty well. It's not that bad. but I just get them skewed. So I'm just gonna try to figure out why this is happening. I guess it has to do with something. Because first of all, I don't get them like this every time. Like if I keep reloading, sometimes they are skewed, sometimes they're not. Uh, it's just weird. Uh, and the other problem is that when I scroll, I need this to be back to click. Um, this thing, where is it? Stickers. This thing, I don't need this anymore, and this needs to be click. I'm doing this because click on phones is the last one that starts, and touch start is fired as soon as I put my finger on it. If I'm trying to scroll, it's gonna keep adding the stuff, but click, it waits for me to tap on the thing. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take a break. It's been 3 hours almost. I might work. Next thing that I'm gonna work on, I guess, it's gonna be make a small animation. Clean up this part, this white thing here. Make a small animation when you drop stuff on this. Maybe add a drag and drop thing. Because right now it's just a click, and then I feel like it would be a great thing if it was like a drag and drop thing. Finish the text. The text, I don't know how I'm gonna do the text part, by the way. I have no idea. I'm gonna think about this. I'm gonna see how Instagram and all these companies are doing it. Also, I have a weird problem. The things don't seem as big as I want them to be. Oh, they are. Nothing. Yeah, never mind. Okay. Uh, thank you for watching the. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching this. Um, I'm trying to find a better way of doing these videos. If anyone has any idea on how to make them more interesting, more easy to watch, because I know it must be really hard for people like to watch for like 3 hours straight a guy trying to figure out how to do things. Yeah, so if anyone has some advice on how to make them more interesting, I would have loved if like we could have some interaction and things. But anyway, uh, thank you for watching. I hope you like this. I might be back for another stream. What time is it? Might not. It's getting pretty late, and last night I slept really late, so I ended up waking up pretty late. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep posting about this. you guys want to know when I'm gonna be streaming, because I just stream as I don't have specific times of streaming. I just stream whenever I feel like, or like I'm like, okay, I'm gonna work a little bit, so I just start up and stream this. So I always post on Reddit before I stream. So if you're interested, you can just check that. If you have any suggestions about what you want me to like, what you want to see me doing, I don't know if this was interesting enough. I was, I hope, like I was, let's say I planned to do something, but I didn't have the time to do it right now. Like I was thinking I'll do a camera app inside this. I didn't have time to do that, but I'm definitely gonna do it, like tomorrow, day after, whatever. Um, and then I'll keep going. I know I started some projects, like there was a chat, fully encrypted chat that I started. Then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna work on my project, that on this project, which is like I can do a lot of things with it. I can add the chat and all that later on. So I'm not deleting anything. I'm just keeping stuff. And my videos are not. I don't. I fucked up also the numbering. Like most of my videos don't even make sense. The naming and stuff. But I'll try getting better at that. Thanks for watching. And have a great day. That's it. Bye.